Now coming towards the conclusion of the 80th annual academic sessions of the Galle Medical Association. Moving on to the award ceremony, it is time to appreciate the professional achievements of the members of the GMA. I cordially invite Postgraduate Coordinator, Dr. Ganaka Senaratne, Consultant Physician, Teaching Hospital, Karapitiya, to announce the postgraduate awards.
Good evening to you all. It's my utmost pleasure to present these winners of Galle Medical Association PG Award 2021. These young life members of Galle Medical Association have succeeded in their respective postgraduate exams during the year 2021. Dr. U.R. Rajit Eranga, Probationary Lecturer in Anatomy and Registrar in Otorhinolaryngology. He has got through the selection examination in MD Surgery. Dr. Dilini Palangasinghe, Registrar in Clinical Nutrition. Selection examination for MD in Clinical Nutrition. Dr. Miyuru Hasanga Manawadu, Registrar in Pediatrics. Diploma in Child Health. Dr. I.L.A.N. Darshana, Lecturer in Community Medicine, who has got through in Master of Philosophy. Ms. Hasanga Ratnayaka, Lecturer in Biochemistry. She has Master of Philosophy. Dr. Pavani G. Punchiheva, Senior Registrar in Endocrinology. She has got through in MD Medicine. Dr. Chitrananda Chandana Dahanayaka, Senior Registrar in Respiratory Medicine, who has got through MD Medicine 2021. Dr. G.D.E. Kodituakku, Senior Registrar in Nephrology, who has got through MD Medicine 2021. Dr. Sunali Devika Nanayakara, Senior Registrar in Critical Care Medicine, MD Medicine. Dr. A.A.E.N. Madhusanka, Senior Registrar in Medicine, who has got through MD Medicine. Dr. Hiran Abesinghe, Senior Registrar in General Medicine, who has got through MD Medicine. Dr. A.D.S. Suranga Sanjeeva, Senior Registrar in Radiology, who is a lecturer in Anatomy, who has got through MD Radiology. Dr. Mudyanselage Chamini Tivandika Jayasundara, Senior Registrar in Microbiology, who has got through in MD Medical Microbiology. Dr. K.D.D.S. Vijayveera, Senior Registrar in Microbiology, who has got through in MD Medical Microbiology. The last winner of the day, Dr. Nirmita Lalindi De Silva, who is our compeer today, and lecturer in parasitology, who has got through MD Parasitology. Galle Medical Association wish all the very best and all the success for our young life members who have succeeded their respective exams during the year 2021 and hope they will do brilliantly in their future career. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to cordially invite the co-editor of Galle Medical Association, Professor Sudhira Jayasinghe, Professor of Pharmacology, Faculty of Medicine, University of Ruhuna, to the podium to announce the winners of the Best Oral Presentation and the Best Poster Presentation of the Academic Sessions 2021.
Thank you, Lalindi. Good afternoon. It is my pleasure to announce the winners of the oral and poster presentations. On behalf of the co-editors, let me thank all the authors for submitting their valuable research to GMA. And also to the reviewers and judges for their contribution and commitment. This time we received fairly good number of abstracts. Adherent to GMA standards, each abstract were reviewed by 2 independent reviewers. It was little hard to take a decision or to select the best presentations as the window of the marks were narrow. In line with health guidelines, the winners were not invited for this occasion physically, but the certificates will be awarded at the GMA premises in the near future. Now let me announce the winners. The best oral presentation goes to Darshana ILAN for the paper titled Notified Incident Cases of Dengue and Leptospirosis, Time Series Analysis for 2 commonest vector-borne diseases in Sri Lanka. Authored by Darshana and Shamika RMA. Next, the best poster presentation. It goes to Lianage D for the paper titled Effect of COVID-19 Pandemic Situation on Congenital Hypothyroidism Screening Performances in Faculty of Medicine, Galle. The paper was authored by Lianage D and Hettiarachchi M. Congratulations you all for your hard work. Thank you. Have a pleasant day.